Greetings YouTube, Elaine unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, right here in the Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. We're back out here in our 20-foot by 10-foot high tonal greenhouse YouTube. It is currently mid-winter here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel YouTube. And this YouTube, this is indeed what our rapidly approaching 2-year-old yellow sweet banana pepper plant is currently looking like right here in our high tonal greenhouse YouTube. Take a look at this. Bam! Can you guys see all of those peppers on our yellow sweet banana pepper plant here, YouTube? We recently came out here and we revegetated this plant, YouTube. We stripped virtually all of the foliage and trimmed back a lot of branches that were no longer fruit producing branches here on our yellow sweet banana pepper plant here, YouTube. After we stripped our plant down, YouTube, roughly about 2 weeks later, our plant swiftly vegged back out, YouTube, and began to produce a massive amount of blossoms here, YouTube. As you can see, there's still currently a ton of blossoms all over our yellow sweet banana pepper plant here, YouTube. There's also an abundance of peppers of various sizes, YouTube, and various stages of development, as you guys can see here, YouTube. Our plant is simply loaded here with yellow sweet banana peppers. We couldn't possibly be more pleased by what our plant is currently looking like here mid-winter in our high tonal greenhouse. Thanks for watching, and if indeed you currently are watching this video on our mid-winter yellow sweet banana pepper plant and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, please indeed take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, YouTube, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, YouTube, yes indeed, yeah. Growing yellow sweet banana peppers right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. Thanks for watching.
Ain't out here dissing, I ain't got no beef, no enemies. Call all my haters motivators, cause they can't touch me. Been in this business for a minute, that's a long time. That you was looking for me, you can find me on my grind. I'm on a mission, no competition for this rap king. I bet you took my crown, it must have happened in your dreams. I'm about to make the world feel me like the last time. So make the microphone spoke when I say what's on my mind. It was 8 years ago when I first hit the rap scene. It was 2019 and I got the whole world listening. They gather around me to keep warm from all the heat I bring. And I tell you, so why y'all haters out there hating me? Why y'all hating? 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 This instrumental remind me of Frankie Beverly and May. So I'm taking you back when rap was real in the old days. More than a man, I'm like a lion trying to expand. And the world's against me, so I came up with a different plan. No more 9 to 5 working for the other man. And don't trust the media, my destiny is in my hand. Done came a long way from where this lion first began. Won't let nobody make me hate the color of my skin. No matter where we're from, America is where we live. Ain't not here dissing others, but I'ma tell it like it is. Everybody say they praying for some better days, but this world will never change until we stop the hate. Why y'all hate?